Welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You've had a long day, and all you want is a moisturizer that hydrates, soothes, and restores your skin's balance without irritation. Well, today we're talking about a product that promises just that, the Bioré Sensitive Skin Face Moisturizer. This gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer has been formulated with a blend of skincare powerhouses. Let's see how it holds up in real-world testing. Now, this isn't just any moisturizer. It contains Bakuchiol, a natural, gentle alternative to retinol that promises to even out skin tone. Plus, it's packed with vitamin E and B3, Niacinamide, which are both known for their skin smoothing and brightening effects. Green tea extract adds a refreshing touch with its antioxidant properties that fight off free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Let me tell you, adding this to my skincare routine was pretty effortless. The texture is light, but creamy enough to feel substantial on the skin. It glides on smoothly, absorbing quickly without leaving any greasy residue. I've been using it every morning and I've noticed how soft and hydrated my skin feels, almost instantly. I've been testing this moisturizer for about 2 weeks now, and I've been really impressed by how non-irritating it is. As someone with sensitive skin, I can't stress enough how important it is to find a product that delivers hydration without causing any flare-ups. This one did just that. I applied it under makeup and it kept my skin feeling moisturized all day without breaking me out or causing any redness. Let's break it down into the pros and cons. On the pro side, I love the fact that it's fragrance-free, which makes it perfect for those with sensitive skin. The inclusion of Bakuchiol is a huge plus for those who are retinol sensitive, but still want to enjoy the anti-aging and skin-smoothing benefits. Vitamin E and B3 also make this a standout for anyone looking to brighten and even out their skin tone. On the downside, I'd say that while it's gentle, it's not the most hydrating for extremely dry skin, especially in colder months. If you need an intense, rich moisturizer, you might want to layer this with something more hydrating or look for a heavier formula. When it comes to value for money, this one is definitely on the affordable side for a product with high-quality ingredients. You're getting a lot of skincare benefits for the price point, and it's versatile enough for daily use. You won't have to break the bank to keep your skin looking fresh. As far as comparisons go, I've tried other moisturizers with Bakuchiol, and many feel either too thick or don't absorb well. This one, however, is light yet effective. Compared to other drugstore options, it's a solid contender, offering ingredients typically found in higher-end products, but at a fraction of the price. The packaging is also quite practical. The 3.4 oz bottle is simple, travel-friendly, and dispenses just the right amount of product. It's easy to use and doesn't feel too bulky on the counter or in your bag. Now, while I didn't have to contact customer service personally, Bioré is known for being responsive when it comes to any customer concerns. I'd expect nothing less than helpful, efficient support from the brand. In terms of longevity, I've been using it consistently without seeing any changes in formula or packaging. It's holding up well, and given the price point, I'd say it's a solid option for long-term use. So who is this moisturizer for? If you're someone with sensitive skin, especially if you're looking for an alternative to retinol or need a gentle hydrating option, this is definitely worth trying. It's suitable for daily use, morning or evening, and will likely become a go-to for anyone needing skin hydration without irritation. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, the link to purchase this product can be found in the description or comments below. If you've tried this moisturizer, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.